Hey everyone, welcome back to More Fabrics. Welcome to a daily deal. This daily deal, you're going to get a 25 pack of coffee dye papers that I had handmade. They're absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to show them to you later on in this video. In this daily deal, this is a gift with purchase in the center. I had added 6 vintage postal stamps for you. They will be a variety in colors. I'll make sure of it. You also get a vintage style postcard that looks like a vintage seed packet. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Also, you're going to have a choice of your own postcard also in this daily deal. I'll explain more a little bit later, but this is just one of many. As you can see here, I have the whole packet here. I'm going to show you later on in the video each postcard. In this packet, the gift with purchase, you're going to get some vintage playing cards, some musics, and some ledger paper is my gift to you with purchase. The daily deal is only $10. Yes, $10. Just listen to the sound of the papers. Love the sound of that. I made sure that the papers were between light and dark in texture. This is a darker pack, but there will be a variety for you. As you can see, these are the vintage style postcards. You get one in each daily deal. When you click on the link down below for this daily deal, you'll see it'll take you to the listing where there will be a drop-down menu, and it gives you an opportunity to see the photos of these seed packets, and you get to choose which daily deal you want. Again, you get one in each daily deal. They're absolutely gorgeous. My main goal is to give you choices. Originally, I was just going to randomly put one in each pack, but I thought, gosh, they're absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to give you a choice. So all this stuff that you guys see here is only $10. The reason why is, one, I wanted to give you a daily deal. Two, I wanted to have you have the opportunity to test out the vintage style coffee dye papers that I put together for you guys. This daily deal is while supplies last. Once they're out, they're out. $10 is a great deal. I know they're going to sell fast, but if you don't get the chance to get a daily deal, I do sell these packs in the shop. Obviously not with gift with purchase or this daily deals extra goodies, but I do sell the paper packs in 25 packs for the sizes that are 8 by 12s and the sizes of that are 12 by 17. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to keep them in while supplies last. Again, enjoy this daily deal while you can, and I'm excited to see what you guys think of this coffee dye paper that I had created. Stay tuned because I will be doing a do-it-yourself how to create these coffee dye papers as well here after this video posts. Within a day, that video will be up for you. But aren't these postcards just gorgeous? Choices, choices. That's what I wanted to give you guys. Matt, if in case you want to do more than one pack, it gives you options to do that as well. They're only $10. I do offer free shipping when you spend over $35 or more in the shop, USA. International, this item is lightweight, so shipping costs shouldn't be that much. It'd be under £1, obviously, because this is lightweight paper. I hope you guys love this daily deal. It was fun not only putting together, but fun just giving you guys opportunity to have choices and to test out something new that's in the shop while supplies last. Enjoy! Enjoy, guys!